Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go through my gear that is my favorite of 2025 that I would never leave home without on a backpacking trip. I'm going to open up my pack, take out the contents, and we'll take a look. There's some new gear as well. My backpack is the Z-Packs 40-liter Arc Haul Ultra 200X. On my right side shoulder strap, this is my most important piece of gear. It is the Garmin InReach Mini 2 satellite communicator. It goes with me on a day hike or backpacking trip, long distance or whatever. Must have it. Next up is my iPhone 16 Pro. This has satellite capabilities and holds my navigation apps as well. On my left side shoulder strap is my sweat rag. It has been so hot this summer, high humidity. It's great to wipe sweat off your face, dunk in a stream, and just wipe down. On my left side water bottle pocket is my Katadyn Be Free water filter. Goes without saying, this is another very, very important piece of gear. Right side water bottle pocket. These are my Durston Iceline trekking poles. This is the 2024 edition. I've heard the 2025s are actually breaking down by the tip. I've never had that happen, but I'll keep you guys posted on it. Back over to my right side shoulder strap. This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro mount. It allows me to get the hands-free climbing or descending. Weighs very little. Maybe, I think it was 3 ounces. It's a great addition. First up is, in the back pocket, is my hygiene kit, which has the Vargo Dig Dig for cat holes. Also doubles that as a 10 stake. Very important. Probably my most important piece of gear. Kind of kidding. This is the bladder to my bidet, which the cap is on the top, the orange cap. This stops people from leaving paper, toilet paper, whatever, in the woods if they use one. And plus it helps with monkey butt. It's very good to have. This is my light hard gear rain jacket, 100% waterproof. It does not have any DWR coating. High visibility. That's an important thing. When you're hiking in the rain, you don't want to blend in with the forest. In case an accident should happen, you want to be visible. It also is very good for search and rescue to see you. This is a small DCF Z-Packs stuff sack. It keeps things in the back pocket that I may need quickly. Bug net, hate bugs. This is again, Z-Packs DCF pack liner. Another item is, I carry it, weighs about 1.5 ounces. It's a thermal blanket, just in case you have to be warm day hiking or you're out in the woods extended time. It's great to have. It's also have high visibility. It has a mirrored finish, and that could also be seen quite easily. Very inexpensive compass. Bear line if need be. And lastly, just some off insect repellent. They're wipes. There was another item. This is my DCF rain skirt. They work really well, especially when you have an umbrella that I don't have here today. Next up is my long-handled spoon. It goes in a purple DCF little stuff sack. It's made by Ultralight. You could find Ultralight on Garage Grown Gear or Etsy. She does very, very good work. She's based out of Kentucky. Definitely worth looking into. I actually tried sticking it to my backpack, but everything I used, tape, double stick tape, nothing seems to stick well on the outside to this Ultra 200X. But I'll figure something out. And another piece of gear is my DCF Z-Packs 10 stake bag. I predominantly use needle stakes. There's 10 of them in here. I usually only use 6, but it's good to have extra. I'll have links down in the description to all this gear. And a glove. This is just to wipe, at a stream or something before you get to camp or whenever. Comes in handy, weighs nothing. For long water carries, I use a 2-liter Ceanoc bladder that fits the Katadyn Be-Free water filter. So, yeah. And you could strap it right to the top of the pack. Works out well. Very durable. The tent is the Z-Packs Plex Solo Light. It's without a doubt my favorite tent. 10.7 ounces. It's crazy. Inside the contents of the pack, first up is my Gossamer Gear 1/8 thin light pad. Protects my air mattress. Favorite sun hoodie. This is the Jolly Gear sun hoodie. Damn bugs. I hate bugs. This is another sun hoodie, better suited for temperatures in the 90s, when it's really hot out, direct sunlight. This is the Outdoor Research Astroman. Really, really nice sun hoodie. And my favorite feature, it has a quarter zip, so you're able to dump hot air. Next up is definitely a favorite. This is my Atotech DCF bear bag. You'd simply tie it to a tree, 6-inch diameter or so. It's grizzly rated. Next up is my Montbell 1000 down fill puffy. It has quite a few pockets. Actually, there's 4, but I do wish it had a hood. But yeah, it's really a great puffy. It only weighs 4.6 ounces. So cold nights, cold mornings, it's great to have. My favorite mid-layer. This is the Senshi Designs 90 weight Alpha Direct. It has a 1/4-inch zipper to dump hot air. Next up is my first aid kit. Has some extra large band-aids. Has a needle with dental floss for fixing gear or stitching yourself up. I doubt it. Some crazy glue, ibuprofen, and backup lighter, and a little fire starter disc here. This has come in handy many, many times. It's just a small ace bandage with a hair tie attached to it. Really important, twisting ankles, Grand Tetons. I slipped and caught myself with my trekking pole, but I sprained my wrist, so works great. It weighs nothing. Another item you need to carry. Sudafed, just some more pills, some triple antibiotic ointment, tablets for diarrhea. Next item is my cook kit with my Appalachian Trail sticker with a plastic lid that just snaps right on top. No need for rubber bands or pot sack or anything. Just locks right in. Could also cold soak in it. This is my BRS 3000T. Weighs less than an ounce. Mini Bic lighter. And this is the light load towel. Super light, obviously. Really good to have. Clean out your pot, whatever. I have a little pot scrubber that fits in the bottom of the fuel canister. This is a children's bamboo toothbrush. Very lightweight, probably weighs practically nothing. Let me get a closer view. Getting down to the bottom, this is my Thermarest Neo Air Ultralight. They stopped making these. People that would go out backpacking, they don't understand how to protect their sleeping mattress, and kept getting holes, punctures, all these things. And Thermarest decided to stop carrying them. Thankfully, I got 2 of them. This would be the 20-inch, and I also got a 25-inch. So never had an issue, never had a problem. You just have to be careful. This is my Trekology inflatable pillow. And we're down to the bottom. My Z-Packs 20-degree quilt weighs 19.2 ounces, if I can get it out. Yeah, it's super warm. This is my Nitecore NB10000 charger that I'm no longer using because the charge depletes too quickly. I've gone back to the Anker PowerCore 10000. It lasts longer and has a better battery life. Moving on, this is the Alpenblow pad inflator, my Nitecore NU25 headlamp, and 2 power cords. The camera I do all my videos with is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The tripod is also made by DJI, and the base has a wider stance and is made by Newer. This is my DJI Mini 4 Pro for most of my aerial footage. The DJI RC2 controller and my new DJI Neo drone combo that comes with 3 batteries and a charger that will fly independently or using the RC2 controller or a smartphone. There are 6 preset flight patterns. This is the follow mode. This is the rocket mode. And finally, this is using the RC2 controller. Hope you guys enjoyed my latest gear video. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. If anyone has any questions or comments about the video, please comment below. What type of gear are you using? I'd love to know about it. Thanks for watching.